Conducting multiple interview rounds can be time-consuming and repetitive. With panel interview, you can streamline your hiring process by bringing multiple interviewers together in a single session. To set up a panel interview, go to the interview settings and add panel members. Next, proceed to schedule the interview by entering the candidate's details and inviting the interviewers. You can also adjust the date, time, interview duration, and candidate test invite email if needed. Once everything is set, schedule the interview, and both the interviewers and the candidate will receive the interview invite. Once the panel interview begins, the candidate and multiple interviewers are seamlessly connected in a single session. Watch as interviewers take turns asking questions while the candidate responds in real time. For programming assessments, the candidate can also work on a live coding problem directly within the platform, demonstrating their technical skills. Interviewers can observe, ask follow-up questions, and provide real-time feedback, making the interview process thorough and collaborative. After the interview concludes, all interviewers' feedback, scores, and comments are consolidated into a single comprehensive report. This report provides a clear summary of the candidate's performance, including individual feedback from each panelist and valuable insights into the candidate's performance, strengths, and areas for improvement. Reduce interview rounds and make collaborative decisions seamlessly. Try panel interview with WeCP today.